Hello, my name is Sherry, and I received the Vicks SweetDreams Cool Mist Humidifier by signing up at Influenster.com. I'll have a link in the description. One of my tasks is to do a open box video and post it, so that is what I'm doing right now. Please bear with me as this is my first open box video. Okay, here we go. And from the description on the box, it seems like, you know, it's pretty interesting. It has themes that can be projected onto the walls if you have children. Starry Night, Sea, and Safari, and you have 3 of each in those theme categories. It also comes with Vicks vapor pads that you can place in the humidifier. Sorry, let me turn down my TV. Okay. And it definitely doesn't look like a cheap humidifier. It definitely, looks like it's good quality. Alright, so here it is, straight out of the box. And of course there were directions, and it comes with little refill, one little packet of the Vicks Vapor Pads that you can put in there. It's definitely wrapped very well, that's for sure. Sorry, as I said, this is my first video. Not really sure what I'm doing here. Alright, so here it is. I guess these are the little themes that you can select. That's pretty cute. The power on button. The container, there's the little pull to remove. I've never myself used a humidifier. I remember my mother using one when I was little, but they definitely didn't look like this. Oh, little lock part. Obviously that's where the water goes, and I assume that's where the vape pad or Vicks vapor pad goes. Oh yes, it says right there on the box. So yeah, I mean it definitely looks like a decent quality product. I will get it all set up and let you see it. Okay, so here we have, it is filled with water. I would recommend that you fill this container near the sink and have the base with it, because you flip it upside down after you take it off the base, fill it with water, lock it back up, and then flip it back over so it sits like this to put it on the base. As I did that, it leaked a little bit, just a little bit, but you know, enough to where if it leaked on the floor you would have, you know, a decent sized wet spot. But what I wanted to show you is I was slightly confused about how to put the Vicks pad in. This is the correct way to have it in. The directions were a little fuzzy, so at first I thought maybe it went in here, you know, I was just a little confused. So it does go in like this, and then you just close that up. Sorry for the noise in the background, my dog feels the need to come in here and gulp down all the water. So here we go, and it says in the instructions to turn it on high at first. And there it goes, it's starting to do it. Now the switch is up here to switch between, you know, the themes. And so I have it on the fish scene. And as you see, it changes to, good job, Bubba, changes between the three. So that's, you know, going to be cool for the kids at night. And there's that. It's working beautifully. Doesn't quite yet smell like Vicks, but I'm sure it'll get to that. And fairly easy to clean. It says to do a weekly cleaning. And you can use bleach and a 1/2 gallon of water. So yeah, I mean, pretty cool, huh? I like it. I'll use it. I'll post this video so everybody else can see how it works before they decide to buy it. Starting to smell slightly like Vicks now. I love that smell. My grandmother used it all the time when I was little, so it's got a good memory for me. I'm hoping this helps the house. You know, our house is kind of stuffy. It's a small house, so you know, it gets stuffy. Nose is a little dry every morning when I wake up, so hopefully this will help. Oh, it says to leave it on high until you get to a comfortable humidity level, and then you can set it on an appropriate setting. And it says you can buy a humidity reader, but I think I can just, you know, play around with the settings. Oh, on a low it's not quite so steamy. On high it really lets out some steam. Alright, well, good product, I think. I mean, I guess I'll try it out for a couple of nights before I really, you know, give it a thumbs up, but so far so good. I like it. I think the kids will enjoy it. And that's about it. Thank you.